So does the aluminium jointing system and the adhesive bonding mean there's no screws or sealants used in the body shell at all?
Well, the adhesive is a sealant, so that will help to make sure that there's no potential for any water ingress at all. There are mechanical fixes throughout the body structure in strategic places. The S-rims, for example, are fixed on mechanically, and some of the door apertures and other areas where we feel that there needs to be some compression necessary for the adhesive to go off.
With this new construction method with Smart HT, will it be easy to remove the panels in the event of damage in an accident, say?
Yes, we have thought about that during the design process. I think the first thing to say is that the box is a lot more robust than a current construction, and therefore the likelihood of minor damage is certainly reduced. However, accidents do happen. If there is a problem and a side needs to be repaired, then we do have a repair system to allow the panel to be removed and a new one put in.
Mm-hmm. And does that involve specialist training for your dealership network's workshops, or?
It requires new components to allow the product to slot in, but it's a relatively straightforward exercise to do.
Can you tell us what are the advantages of a printed GRP interior wall as opposed to a normal decorative plywood wallboard?
Well, in the process of developing the sidewalls for the van, we wanted to make sure that the panel was completely balanced. So we needed a GRP on the outside and a GRP on the inside. And we wanted to also make sure that that was a continuous material. So we worked with our supplier to get a material that would allow the GRP and the paper to be simultaneously bonded in the manufacture of the GRP. So the benefits are that the material is a lot more durable, and there are no split lines or joints within the interior of the van.
Are there any differences in the thermal properties that Smart HT body shells offer over a normal traditional caravan body shell?
Short answer to that is no, because we specifically designed the new body shell to meet the requirements of a current body shell. We didn't feel it necessary at this stage to exceed those the requirements of the current structure.
Do the new materials and new construction methods mean a reduction in overall weight of caravans if it were a like-for-like comparison with a traditional tourer?
On a like-for-like basis, yes, but in the development of this project, what we've done is we've chosen lightweight materials that have created a lightweight structure. But we have also taken the view in this particular van to add specification in to give the customer some more functions and features within the van. So the net result is that the weight of these vans will be similar to the current vans.
So you mentioned that it's better aerodynamically and that it reduces drag on tow. What would that mean for an average economy in terms of miles per gallon?
Yeah, we managed to improve the aerodynamics on this van quite significantly. I think to answer your question, it all depends on the driver and the vehicles involved. However, we've made an 18% improvement in the drag reduction in this particular model. That will translate to around about a 10% improvement in fuel consumption. So if a customer was using a 2-litre diesel car that was doing about 30 miles to the gallon, then you'd be talking about 33 miles per gallon towing this van, which calculated out in terms of the amount of fuel you'd use on a 300-mile journey, for example, you'd save about £6 in diesel.
That's an impressive saving.